many donuts I can fit in this belly? Huh? 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 How many? How many? Hey guys! So I'm here with another vlog as usual, and this one is not about modeling or anything like that. This is about me experimenting with vegan things and showing you guys that you can eat and have everything vegan. So I've learned with this new lifestyle, I don't really like to call it a diet, with this new lifestyle I've learned that you can basically have everything that you want non-vegan vegan. So either chocolate, like Alfredo sauce, brownies, donuts, cinnamon rolls, pancakes, burgers, literally like everything that you thought that you don't want to cut off your diet because you're gonna miss it. Basically everything can be eaten vegan except obviously meat. Like you can't really fake meat. I mean you can, but it sounds a little weird. Anyways, I have been hearing about this place in Frederick, Maryland. They have amazing donuts and I love donuts. So I'm coming today to try their donuts and see how good they are. Honestly, they must be pretty good because I wanted to come yesterday and they were sold out before 11 a.m. and they open at 9. So they were sold out in less than 2 hours. So right now it's like 9:40 and I'm ready for my donuts. So we'll see how many I eat, how many I get. And also, I heard that they have French toast, and I've been wanting French toast. Because regular French toast is made with like eggs, and obviously I don't eat eggs anymore. So I really want that, so we'll see. Okay, it's time to go. Ooh. I look like I just woke up because I actually just woke up because this is what I am meant to do. Just kidding. But yeah. Also my friend Marie is coming too. She's not vegan, but she's willing to try them. So we'll see. I guess how many I can fit here. Okay. How many donuts I can fit in this belly? Huh? 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 How many? How many?
Why are you so mean?
Vegan? Really good.
Really good?
Really good. I might turn vegan now. Donut fields.
You got it right.
You're gonna need a nap right after?
Like a 5-hour nap.
Are you?
I've always been like this. Like my favorite donuts are like without any like sugar on it or just sugar, like sprinkle sugar on it. And there are like donuts with icing.
Yeah.
Or like powdered sugar, but no like filling inside.
And then they're doing like the, remember last year where they put us all in with the ice?
So yeah, that's what I like.
And they're going.
So I had a bite of the chocolate one, and I had 2 bites of the blackberry one, and then I ate almost the whole Cinnabon by myself. Maria just had like 1 bite. Then the other one that had like this topping on it, Maria had 1 bite, and then I ate the whole thing. And then I ate the whole French toast, and I feel awesome. It was like so good. And look at the taste. Correct. Me too. So like anytime I want it. No bloating. Look at that. So how was it?
They were surprisingly really good. I was like, vegan donuts, what? But they taste exactly like the normal donuts. I would definitely come back again. So good.
It was so good. Like the dough tasted like my favorite place from El Salvador. That's how they tasted like. If you know Sugar Shack, that's how the dough they make here is. Even this one is even better, to be honest. Nothing against Sugar Shack. Sugar Shack's amazing, but it's not vegan, so I can't have it. But this one is so good. Okay. Alrighty then, guys. Well, thank you for watching this. We'll see you next time. Let me know if you wanna see me on more like food adventures. Alrighty. Then yeah, say bye, Maria.
Bye, guys.